Let me first of all start by apologizing to you. I will do a lot of videos. As I see, I will talk on them. So please, in advance, no vex. If you see my videos, if they are becoming too much, don't be angry. But we just have like 8 months to election. And I promise you, after the election, I will take a little bit of break from any video or anything. So hold me to my words. But honestly, in the last few days, I've been seeing, or maybe more than a day, maybe like in the last week or two, there have been a lot of posts where you see people saying that, oh, now the Igbos want our vote and they are doing this. Oh, now our region, we will do this. Oh, yes, now we will show them and stuff like that. Hello? A vote for Peter Obi is not for a vote for Igbo people. You understand? So all of this, yes, now we will show them. And then some people saying that, oh, by February, we will shock them. You're already in shock. Who are you shocking? When you're voting for Peter Obi, it's not about saying, oh, it's about Igbo people. No, this is not about Igbo people or Christian or a male or whatever. It's about competence, character, and capacity. And that's all the focus should be all about. Nothing more, nothing else. And if you think that you're coming out to say that, oh, Igbo people this, Igbo people that, and you want to cut your nose to spite your face, I hope I got that right. Well, the joke is on you. Because I want us all to understand, in this Nigeria, if there's any region or any group of people, let me not use region now, if there's any group of people that can withstand whatever hardship Nigeria has to more than any group, I think it's the Igbo people. I might be wrong, but that's you. They have a lot going for them. It's one of should I say, one of the most economically empowered group of people in terms of capacity. Know that, oh, the richest man might be there, the richest man in Africa might not be all of that, but it's the kind of people in terms of economic advantage on a whole have it a lot.